Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can automate your job search within Jobright AI. So instead of searching manually, let the AI agent Orion to do the filtering for you. So we need to set some function that this thing will work. So um, let's go here to the settings. So at the bottom left corner, settings, and then job alerts and preferences, just like that. Now we can set some preferences. If we click here on the filters, we have one hardware engineer, full-time, on-site, remote, hybrid, entry-level, mid-level, and so on. Now click on filters, and this window, slide window on the right, will pop up. And we can change here some settings. We can add those things on-site, hybrid, remote. So let's go just like that. Then we have experience level, required experience, date posted. We can also set annual salary, so we can do it something like that. Industry, skills, excluded skills, role type, and so on. Company stage. We can set this thing. Then we have here some job alerts, so that we can enable instant job alerts. Job alert frequency, we have up to 1 alert a day. We can set this to up to 5 alerts a day or unlimited, but you need to have different subscription for this Jobright.ai. And we can have enabled or disabled digest job alert, and also here daily digest or weekly digest. And yeah, this is basically it, how we can set up our automation search. We can also here with this AI, we can also here set something and it will find out. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.